Once through Teleco Plains, we turn off onto the river road that would take us out to our campground, 18 miles away. It's the Birch Branch Campground in the Cherokee National Forest. We picked out our campsites and kind of got things set up, and then we would sit and wait for a few days in the hopes that several others would be joining us over the time period for some camping, cooking, and one great adventure. After establishing our campground and waiting for others to arrive, Don, myself, Carl, we would make several trips into Teleco Plains for supplies and just general whatnot. But riding this 18-mile road, the river road round trip, was always exciting and always fun to do. had arrived, so in order to ensure that we had enough spaces available for all of the folks that Don was expecting to arrive for this camp and cooking rally, we kind of reserved some other locations in the entire campsite. We had more riders that would be arriving Thursday night and Friday morning, so in order to make sure that we had enough room for everyone, we were kind of reserving these sites, which is you're not supposed to do, but hey, we got away with it, and we had a great time.
Ellen DeGeneres kind of thing. But yeah, cute and funny and fucking.
Here we are on the 14th of April. We're in the Cherokee National Forest. Got here on Monday, and it's been raining off and on every day since we've been here. Gale force winds, cold, miserable, but hey, I'm out on two wheels and I'm camping and I'm having a good time. One of our riders, Wade from Arkansas, was the only one to have a mishap during our camping session. If you look closely, you can see his bike down in the river. That's about 35-40 feet below, and it's almost a straight drop down. And thanks to some locals that came by, they helped pull Wade's bike out of the river, back up the slope, and he actually rode it back into camp and got everything put back together, and ended up leaving on Sunday and rode his bike back home to Jonesboro, Arkansas. Way to go, Wade.